First of all, congratulations on the purchase of your new fifth wheel here. 321 RSTS. So we'll walk around the outside, familiarize yourself with some things. A little light for the steps here, outside speaker, low point drain. There's a couple of valves up under here to drain the lines. Spray port. You have cable hookup under here. Good size storage area. Another speaker. 40-pound propane bottle. One on each side. Plug in up front. There's your side view camera. Storage area up front. Prepped for a generator. Hitch light under here. There's a couple of switches up underneath the nose cone here for lights on the front of the fifth wheel, as you'll see. Going around to the other side, another side view camera. Bedroom slide. Another propane bottle. Now under here, here's your spray hose for your spray nozzle. Battery disconnect right here. Here's your auto level. And your raising and lowering hitch height. Has information right here about that. For loading and unloading. 50 amp cable with a twist lock, and there's a what they call a dog bone to take it from 50 amp down to 30 amp. This here in this compartment has your black and gray tanks. Sanitize, winterize, flush the black tank. And there's your city water connection. You can run everything up through here. Has your pump remote here, bypass for your hot water tank here, also another port to plug that hose in. Here's your hot water tank behind here. Well, I don't know if we're going to get that open right now. Trust me. There we go. So it's already winterized. I'll show you how to fire that up inside. Exhaust for the furnace. Don't have anything around any of these two areas. Extreme heat. Fridge vent on this slide out. There's the vent for your overhead fan on your stove. Low point drain on this side. It's draining, as you can see. It's right by that rear jack. That's for your water that you carry with you. Ladder, trailer hitch, flat 4 plug-in. Spare tire right here is where you put your crank in. Right rear. So we'll go inside and take a look around. So right upon entry, there's a monitor panel. And it has everything. Controls lights, motors, slides, awnings. Here's the slide out. You can hear that. You can this slide out here. And back out. So everything's done from here. You can go home, climate, so your air conditioning, furnace, check your tank levels, see our fresh water is still draining. Here's where you turn your gas hot water tank on, right here, or electric right here. And there's your water pump. So you can go through this and does various things. Okay. Here's all your fuses and breakers right here in the kitchen. Anything isn't working, that's the first place to check. Little coffee bar here. Double fridge. Here's your controls up top here. Stove. Make sure you put the glass right up and out of the way before you start it. Turn the burner on, and there you go. It's got the striker right here. There's lights to illuminate it and an oven light. And there's a little remote beside the stove here for the ceiling, dinette lights, all exterior. More lights here. Microwave. There's a toilet chemical and another little plug. Now this unit's equipped with a drinking water setup right here that's underneath. Remotes are in this drawer in the kitchen for your TV, your stereo, and your fireplace. You have USB ports in the living room, charge phones, other devices. Light switch hidden up here for these overhead lights in the living room. Chairs have a lot of features. They have heat, vibration, and lights. Also a charging port for your phone. Kitchen table has storage underneath and a pull-out leaf. Another little spot here for ceiling and dinette lights. Fire extinguisher right by the entry door. Handy little electrical and USB setup right here on the kitchen island. Make our way up the hall. Bathroom lights. And your toilet, everything's been winterized and has foot control. Bedroom has another TV. There's your remote right there. Also USB ports in the bedroom. Emergency exit. And I think that pretty much covers it. So one more thing on this monitor panel is the individual jacks or the auto leveling. Now this can be done here on this inside monitor panel too. So you hit auto level. And you can see see and hear the trailer doing its thing here. Front jacks first, now the rear jacks. And you can see them coming down. And there you have it. Now, if you're going to use this automatic leveling system, make sure you're on solid ground, fairly level ground. Not recommended to, be used on lawns, that kind of thing where it can sink. So I think that pretty much covers it. Thank you and enjoy your new trailer.